Vendors in point of sale can be flagged as inactive. Let's go to the vendor list. Let's choose one of our vendors. We'll choose Express Delivery Service. We will click Edit. This shows us the vendor record. To make the vendor inactive, we would select the inactive checkbox on the vendor record and select Save. To view your inactive vendors, use the All Vendors filter or define a custom filter to display the inactive vendors. To reactivate the vendor, clear the inactive checkbox. So we will go back into the vendor. We will clear the inactive checkbox and we will save. And now the vendor is active. Keep in mind that if you flag a new vendor as inactive, that vendor will not be shared with QuickBooks financial software. However, if you later receive items from the inactive vendor on a voucher, the vendor will be created in QuickBooks when the voucher is sent to your financial software. Let's go back to the home page. Our next video will demonstrate how to merge vendors.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.